Karma is chasing them down for what they did to you and others. This person is being exposed for who they really are, and they're still trying to cloak themselves. They are now being exposed for being in the energies of the Seven of Swords. Someone that is very manipulative, someone that's very deceitful. They use a lot of tricks and mind games to get ahead, and their deceit is being exposed. And it's making this person feel very unstable because they felt like they had a lot of people fooled. They felt like, you know, taking shortcuts and stepping on other people will get them to where they wanted to be. They didn't think about the enemies that they would actually make along the way to their quest to gaining whatever it is that they wanted. People are gaining clarity about this person. People are speaking about this person. People are speaking in on this person's name. I feel like this individual is in the spotlight right now. And those that this individual had fooled are now coming to the understanding that they have been manipulated. Why didn't they see all along that this person was a trickster? Why didn't they see that this person was playing in their face? They're tracing back on this person's patterns, and they're starting to wonder, how did they ever miss the lies and the schemes that this person projected? You know, they're angry with themselves for not knowing all along that this person was, I'm hearing the word, a user. You know, a lot of people felt like this person was genuine. A lot of people felt like they had a good rapport with this person. You see, this individual was just mirroring back what other people wanted from them. This person had a goal in mind to maybe connect with someone for a business opportunity, to break up a relationship for their own gains. This person may have wanted to get into some sort of relationship, to get married to someone, you know, and this person didn't really care about who they hurt along the way. This person was just fixated on their own gains. This person wanted some sort of popularity. They wanted to be popular amongst everyone. And they may have felt like you were in their way. You were standing in their way to gain this popularity, to gain this type of celebrity, this fame, this notoriety. And they seek to dim your light. They saw you as someone that was a hindrance to their quest for success. They saw the love that you exuded, and they tried to taint you. They tried to taint your character. They tried to taint your name. For some of you, they tried to embody your energy. This person became heavily fixated on you and heavily fixated on others that they felt were popular. They may have social climbed. They may have tried to align with certain people to help them get to the top. They may have tried to destroy friendships, romantic relationships to get what they wanted. But your spirit guides were not impressed. Your spirit guides were getting extremely frustrated and annoyed with this individual. This person stole and snatched opportunities away from others. This is the type of person that pushed other people out of jobs. This is the type of person that wanted it all by any cost. They felt that they were more deserving than others. They made a lot of enemies along the way, and they disregarded it. They actually disregarded it. They actually acted as if they can just do whatever they wanted to do, regardless if their actions hurt anyone else. Not realizing that they were collecting karma points and generating a lot of enemies along the way. You see, this person didn't even have a plan in regards to what they wanted to invest in. Their whole aim was to be seen. They didn't even invest in the right people and the right things. They felt that they were. But they were walking around aimlessly, without a care in the world, sabotaging this one, sabotaging that one, not thinking that the people that they actually hurt and sabotage would one day get together and start plotting on them. And for some of you, that wasn't the case. Your spirit guides and those that they had crossed, their spirit guides, all came together and started investing in a plan to take this person down. You see, now this person feels like they've been isolated. They've been put on spiritual time out to reflect about their actions. This person is trying to run away from themselves, but this timeout is necessary. This is something that they don't like to do. They don't like to be by themselves. They always run away from themselves so that they don't have to face their true character and who they truly are. They are in denial that people want no parts with them. People have walked away and turned their backs on this individual. They're still trying to make investments in these connections. These individuals still want a second chance, but these individuals are now starting from scratch. Everything that they have taken away from others, including people's peace, is being snatched away from them. They are scrambling. They are at their wits' end. And they don't know what to do. All those third parties that they conjured up and created for other people, whether that was in regards to, work situations, romantic situations, friendships, are being dismantled. People are realizing who this person really is. People don't want to associate with this person anymore. It's a liability to be associated with this individual. This person wanted to be in a position of power. They may have tried to cozy up to a boss, or they may have tried to steal someone's husband. They may have tried to be a boss. And now that opportunity has been snatched away. This person's been left out in the cold. They feel left out in the cold. They just feel very confused right now. Everything that they had, because at a time they had it all. They literally had it all, and they were gloating. They were looking down on others. They thought that they were sitting on top of the world, and now cycles are being closed left, right, and center. And this person is gobsmacked, meaning that they're shocked. They are so shocked that everything that they wanted is being taken away because it was never theirs to begin with. They are angry. They are even more vengeful, but they have nowhere to put this or these emotions. They are angry to see that you're still victorious, that you're still winning, and it's keeping them trapped and stuck in their head because they can't access you. They can't try and destroy you anymore because they've been shut out. People are energetically or physically removing themselves from this person. This person wanted people to choose them over you. People are realizing who this person is. People don't want them anymore. People are awakening to the true fact that they are a demon and you are